Stick together, inside of my pockets, on my clothes. I've been stepping on the scene, on the bottom of my shoes. I've been looking around just so I don't know what to do. First is going, stuck inside the coupe. I'm not trying to go anywhere, I'm stuck inside the booth. Yeah, I'm about to go Olympic, feel like I could never lose. Wake up in the morning, get my phone up here, snooze. I show it up late and I do not have an excuse. I don't do no favors, please don't ask me, I will do them. Flying up like Chopin, walking around, I'm barely healed. I put diamonds on my face and now they dancing to the music. In the bag, you know it's dead from Japan, it's fucking useless. You know that's how I feel, you know that's how I feel. You know that's how I feel, you know that's how I feel. You know that's how I feel, you know that's how I feel. You know that's how I feel, you know that's how I feel.
You know it's how I feel, you know how we do it. It's modern warfare, but it ain't Call of Duty. Bottle full of bubbles in jacuzzi. I don't even drink, I be drinking smoothie. They get too many followers and they be acting bougie. I don't do no talking, I just get straight to it. I don't really stress, just be cool. I don't really think, I just do it. MCT's best, every time I prove it. These fucks are fake, I don't need their approval. Them cities dirt bikes, now it's rural. I haven't been to jail, but I feel like Paul Newman. Paul Newman. Pull up in the Beamer and I feel like Paul Newman. Every time I step in, they think I'm a big tuna. Reeboks on my feet, these are no Puma.
Let me tell you how I'm feeling, man, I'm feeling like a star. Push up, I can't even drive a car. Getting geeked in my room, I don't go to the bar. My head's fucked up and they prescribe me bar. Look at your team, make it clear that you'll know. My team made that shit, you could bump on the soundbar. Baby, this is hysteric glamour, I know where to go, yeah. Feel like a linebacker running up 120 yards. 120 bands, make them do a handstand. $1 million jug, I'ma hit up band, man. Catch me in the field with a scarecrow stand. Take it to the penthouse stand on my land. Talking crazy bullets connect like land. They're looking at me like, damn, is she an artist? I went to fucking Citadel, then we go the hardest. I'm getting money like a harvest.
Baby, this one go yard. I don't wear his statement, glitter pieces, I don't own none. I'm a Xxffcyuvcui in Xxffcyuvcui and we post up. I could let you know if you really wanna know something. All my pieces red, probably feel like I was chose. I put stuff back on my body, heavyweight, I'm moving slow. Out Xxffcyuvcui together, we get keeping like a goal. When you see me get this money up, you acting like you know me.
I would try to heavy metal, but you try to live. And I'm loving what I'm doing, I don't need a vape. And they'll try to get to screwing, I don't gotta fake. Cause she love the way I'm moving and I'm gonna cave. And I'm really Mr. Krabs when it comes to pay. And I keep it moving fast cause I'm money made. I won't play about my bag, I'm not gonna stay. You're just making more mistakes, I'm just making pain. I'll go there, so I'm gonna pay. I'll go there, so you don't gotta taste. I don't play fair, cause I gotta